everyone, welcome to What Matters Prime TV, and it's time to wish all of you a very happy Christmas this evening, tonight, and we're glad that our audience are here with us, always supporting us and giving us all their heart, and have been, watching our channel. We love to give you a very warm wishes on this very occasion. We're glad that you have been such a wonderful audience and viewers for this many years, and I'm sure you will continue to do the same in the days to come as well. We wish you a very happy Christmas and a very prosperous New Year ahead, 2022. We'd also like to take this opportunity to thank our new viewers who are watching me live here on What Matters Prime TV. And if you're new to this channel, you could go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Just type What Matters Prime TV, and you could go ahead and subscribe that button out there. And should you need some new update that's coming up anytime, for any latest news and update that comes in to our channel, you can be the first to view. You can hit the bell button over there and be the first one to view the latest news and updates. We'd like to thank all of you one more time, and we wish you and your family a very happy Christmas and a new year ahead. Thank you so much for being such a wonderful viewers, and I'm sure you will continue to be a part of this beautiful community and family of What Matters Prime TV. Good luck, and you enjoy your Christmas, and we too will wish one another for a better New Year ahead. We've been so much downtrodden by the corona, the pandemic that has affected all over the world in the past 2 years. But we expect a new and a very prosperous one in the days to come. Thank you for being such a wonderful viewers. Thank you, and thank you all and your families. To share and subscribe our channel, and so that we could go ahead and prepare more new content for you, and be able to showcase what is there and what is important to you, and that we might be able to do the right journalism for all of you. Thank you so much. Good night.